All right, what was the mistake, and have you ever got banned from OfferUp? The mistake is that with eBay, the mistake was that a lot of people are listing immediately instead of priming their account. You got to prime your account. You can rewind and see a whole bunch of different examples I just shown. Um, have I ever got banned off OfferUp? Yes, and I cried. When I got banned off of OfferUp, I didn't cry, but I was very, 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 very messed up. Like, don't take my OfferUp from me. I had my girl try to make an OfferUp. I had my grandma make an OfferUp. I had my uncle make an OfferUp. And every time I put it on my phone, it got banned. Every time I put it on a computer, it got banned. OfferUp don't play. OfferUp now, now OfferUp, that's a different situation. Like OfferUp, yeah, yeah. Now the reason I got banned was because I had like 9 OfferUp accounts with the same information. I was able to appeal it, talk to OfferUp, and get it fixed. Yeah, I got one now. Yeah, I'm good now. Like I wasn't good, but I'm good now. But yeah, I was getting banned. And you want to know what I was doing? OfferUp is so gangster. They won't make it so that you can't log in all the time. What they'll do is you'll list something and it just won't show to nobody. And that killed my behind, right? So OfferUp is one of them platforms. I feel they're very they're past eBay and Mercari and all of them as far as like security wise. Mercari is the one that has the worst security because Mercari is so small and they don't even care. They just want bread. That's the only thing with Mercari. Mercari has been the worst company selling app-wise for a long time. They're trying to come back and trying to be better, but they're not good. Now I do have one under my name. Yes. Now, if you are banned from OfferUp, there is a way. You got to get another device, and you have to have somebody else do it for you. But that's not always going to work. As long as you don't put it on the same IP, it should be okay. I have a few people that have done it, but it all depends on why you got banned. Why did you get banned? What did you do? Like that's like the first thing. Like, because it's not easy to get banned on an OfferUp. Excuse me, it's not easy. Like you have scammers all day, and what scammers do is they'll go on OfferUp, they'll scam, and then they'll delete their OfferUp. Like they'll deactivate their account. Then they'll come back on, reactivate their account, and that's how they get over it. Okay, so I got banned for free ads and made another account under my name on my second phone, but was wondering if I can get unbanned on my original account. Okay, cool. So you did make it on another phone. Yeah, you can. You can get unbanned on your regular account. All you got to do, to be honest, is contact OfferUp. Be like, yo, this was a mistake. I didn't know. Or if they did give you a warning, you can be like, well, I didn't understand the terms. Or what I did do with one of my employees is I was like, yeah, just let them know that it wasn't you. Like you had other individuals from your store on your OfferUp, and they were doing it, and you apologize and it won't happen again. And that's sort of kind of the approach. But the OfferUp aspect is a very scary one because there's a lot of people that live off of this. Like they make bread literally on OfferUp. Like especially my phone flippers. Like, yeah. But if you got another one, why do you want your original one back? How do you get in contact with them? I thought it was right here. I thought that, yeah, listen, I don't know how did I get, I was panicking. I swear. I don't remember. Oh, contact us right here. Yeah. That's how you do it. And then you got to like do that. And then, you fill out the info. That's how you do it. Oh, it's sometimes frustrating. Yeah. That it, again, that's the down part about like getting banned from service. It makes it like unconvenient. Like it's not convenient, and it starts to become a headache because you're switching. And also, it's like have you had that issue where you trying to like you're trying to sell something or whatever you're trying to do on your OfferUp, but you miss it because you didn't have that phone? I've been using my other phone for a couple months now, but still feels weird. Yeah. It is weird. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, there's no guarantee, but that's what I would do. I would hit him up and I would be like, "Yo, yeah, it was a mistake, and one of my employees or a few of my employees, I was on vacation for in Europe for a couple months, and you know what I mean. I go all in. Like, that's what I did. I should listen. I was like, oh no, like all of my employees were creating these accounts, and I'm so sorry. Like, this is like one of the best. Like, you know what I mean? I was in there like swimwear. I was drawing. Like, I was really trying. And I was scared because at that point I was flipping phones heavy. And if I didn't have OfferUp, then I gotta go on Facebook and like, what the freak? You can't log. That's fine. Even if you can't log in, you just go. That's not a problem. Because I couldn't log. No, I could log in. I'm Kevin. Even if you can't log in, you should be able to like go here, contact us, and then my account. Can't log in, and then boom. But here's the thing though, like, you can do it, but you got to do it on that other account. And I'm not sure what information you gave on that other account. If it's not all the same, that's perfect. Be like, yeah, I'm on my other my girlfriends or da 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 da. Their OfferUp and my OfferUp's name was da 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 and da 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 da. You know what I mean? That's how I would approach it. That's exactly how I'd approach it because, yeah, you need your OfferUp for sure.